Hello everyone, and welcome to a tutorial showcasing the latest update to our plugin. This update introduces exciting new features to the Cursor Maker page. Once you've installed WP Custom Cursors version 3.0, navigate to the Cursor Maker page. Now, you have the ability to define hover cursors simultaneously while creating custom cursors. There are two states to consider, the normal state and the hover state. Click on each to activate them, then use the drop-down at the top right to select the cursor type. Adjust the cursor settings on the right panel. Once you've finished, click on the hover state to add hover cursors. From the top right drop-down, select your desired hover type. For instance, let's add a snap hover cursor and activate it for links. The snap feature causes the cursor to encircle elements, like links in this case. Let's increase the border width change the color to red, and slightly adjust the radius. To add another hover cursor, click on the plus button. Now, let's incorporate a text hover cursor. From the cursor type drop-down, choose text and customize the options to your liking. Once you're satisfied, click Save Cursor. You'll then be redirected to the Add Cursor page. Select the cursor you just created and preview it on the right panel. If everything looks good, click Next and save the cursor. Fantastic! Your cursor is now integrated into your website. It's time to check the front page. You'll notice our custom cursor is active and the hover cursors function as expected. If you're impressed with the plugin, go ahead and install it now to enjoy interactive custom cursors. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our video. Goodbye!